Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Wingin-It. This little video is for fitting a little sliding window on the side of a crafter, sliding door. We've got a customer, Scottish chap. He sort of travels about all over England, working here and there, doing different jobs, but he stays down here doing a lot of security work, and he comes in whenever he's here. He normally wants something done. He's alright, he's a good lad. He's got a long wheelbase crafter. He came in the other day, asked if we knew how to fit a window in it. I said we've never done one before, but how hard could it be? So he got the window. I don't think it cost that much, but 170 quid from Trade Glass, something like that. So we watched a few videos. I've got a general idea of it, but this one's a bit different to the other videos on there because they haven't got the little sliding bit. So we sort of went with what we thought, and this is the glass. Holes all cut. Alan's done most of it. He's got a bit more patience than me. It'd be a bit easier if you got the right tools, but we work with what we've got. That's the general shape you should be left with afterwards. Just stick with your little bottle of prime or whatever it is, and the sealer bonder that comes with it. So look at the back. Yeah, just literally follow the shape where the skins meet. Cut right round, neat as you can, but it's got a big rubber that goes on it anyway. We're just gonna brush some epoxy primer on it, on the bare metal, before we put the rubber on. Let it dry a little bit, just to stop any moisture making it rust. No, we didn't set it on fire.